Hey team, it's Amy Leone. So I want to take a minute and just show you how to take your PDF catalog and put it into an issue link so that you have an electronic catalog that you can share at any time at a moment's notice. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you go to issue. I'm not 100% sure, but I've heard several people say issue, so I'm rolling with it. So create an account if you don't have one yet. When you create your account, you will see that it's going to ask you for some information. I did not add this information, but I will eventually. So the email that I would want to be contacted at, it looks like that's private. Somewhere when you first set up, it'll ask you for all of your information. So here's what you want to do. The first thing that you want to do is go to TOT, and you should have it bookmarked if you don't, because you should be going in there pretty frequently to check stuff, right? Okay, so you want to scroll down to the marketing material, view all marketing material. We want to go for the new catalog, so spring, summer. You can do this with any marketing material. You can go back and do this with, recruiting flyers or hostess, order forms. If you want to send an order form to a customer for them to print out, if they're doing a Facebook party and they're long distance and they need order forms quickly because they just ran out, instead of mailing them to them, you can send them a link and they can just print out their own order forms. So there's tons. The possibilities are endless, but let's just focus on the catalog for now. Click on our US version here and let that load up. Okay, once that's loaded up, I should say that I'm on a Mac, so I'm not sure, it might look slightly different to you, but what you want to do is you want to take this PDF now that's just loaded up here and you want to download it. So that might be something as simple as a save, or over here is the little download tab. I'm not sure if that's a Mac thing or if that's a regular download button. I don't remember. So you want to download this, and I'm just going to stick it in my download folder. That's going to take a second. Oh, that really was a second. That was super fast. Okay, so here it is, and then go back to your issue, and what you want to do is be on the home page, go publish, and in the drop-down you'll see the option for upload. Sometimes on your home page there's like a button somewhere around here that will say upload, but it looks like this home page has changed in the last couple days since I've been on there. And the other thing that I want to point out is I have a basic plan. I have not upgraded to premium, and I don't plan on it. You don't need to for anything that I've done so far. There's no need to upgrade to anything. So stick with the free basic. All right, so publish, upload. So this is saying, what file do you want to upload? So we click on that. We find our catalog. Okay, I've got like way too many of them in here, so I'm going to get rid of one. Do that. And then you're going to open it. So we'll just take a minute. Okay, so I always like to change this because we want it to look nice. Let's go 31, spring, summer, catalog 2018. Enjoy checking out all the new designs, patterns, and products. You don't have to put something in the description, but it doesn't hurt. You don't have to put anything in here. I never click anything. See, these all say upgrade to premium. I don't do anything in here. I want it to be public because I don't care how many people see this. You want as many people as possible. And if somebody wants to share it, then that makes it easy to do. and then just publish now. So all you're doing on this page is putting in the title and the description. In here, you just click what it is. It's a catalog, so it's promotion and marketing material. Continue. And you're done. So at this point, you can either click on your publication list or you can click on share it locally, and this just gives you the link. So you can highlight that and copy it. Or if you wanted to, you could now pin it to Pinterest, throw it onto Facebook, you can tweet it, you can, I don't even know, Google, Tumble, is that Instagram? I don't know, email it. So you can do all these different things. I usually just copy it and then I'll paste it in in text message to myself or in my notes section, or just email it to yourself or stick it in a Facebook message to yourself. That way you always have access to it. And you can then, if you ever need to find it again, you go home, you go to your publications list. So when you first log on, this is what you see. You click your publications list, and these are all of the publications that will be in your list. Now, on the free account, you can have up to 20, I believe. And this one I don't need because that was me just trying something out. And then this is the one that I just made for you guys. It sometimes might take a minute. It says pending safe mode review. That typically goes away. And so that's it. I mean, that's really, really simple. So you already have the link, but if you need it again, you can click this share button again, and that's it. So I hope that you find that helpful. In about a week or so, I'm going to create another little video here to show you how you can actually add links in to the catalog, or come up with different flyers. I don't have any in here right now. Different flyers that you can use. You can create flyers and add links in it that you can help, that you can give your hostesses to help them with their parties. So keep an eye out for that, and hopefully this was helpful. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.